Give your kid the chance to be like dad, also to be the envy of every kid on the block. It will bring excitement to every kid's playtime, while taking kids on a thrilling adventure. It has buttons for sound effects and a headlight that lights up. Imagine yourself on the old Route 66 crossing the desert roads with this chopper-style replica motorcycle, or the wildest roads just for adventurers like you. Feel like a real rider with lifelike design and realistic sounds effects including engine start and horn, and develop hand-eye coordination through play and laughter. What if we tell you that from the time you open the box to the time you enjoy this bike, only 20 minutes will pass? Something that makes it unique is the ease of assembly. But it's also easy to ride. Simply press the start/stop button, and step on the pedal to accelerate forward and back. Our bike is safety tested for children up to 66 lbs, with a top speed of 3 miles per hour. It also has 2 speeds to accommodate the first-time beginner or a budding racer. Bring out the sunglasses, time for a ride. The best toy in the world for the little ones who love motorcycles and chopper style. A ride on trike that will help your child in his development while having a lot of fun, racing with friends or enjoying a ride feeling like a real old school biker. With a toy like this you deserve to think only of fun and nothing else. This bike comes with an unbeatable guarantee so that both you and your child can enjoy the ride with peace of mind.